Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until the watch reboots. Once you see the restarting on the screen, you can release the button and wait for it to basically finish or reboot. As you can see, we're a bug in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.